never stand still. That's the spirit that has made DAM a global player in the areas of automotive testing and assembly. That has made it a leading innovator. Based in the automotive heartland of Styria, we develop and construct automation solutions which are deployed in factories around the world to assemble transmissions and drivetrains and to conduct functional tests on them. In an environment driven by continual innovation, DAM test rigs represent the spearhead of what is technically feasible. And in the areas of e-mobility and hybrid drives, we continue to set new standards. Working closely with customers, we develop pioneering technical solutions both for prototypes and serial production. And because we have all the key skills in-house, our engineers oversee every project, from the first planning phase right through to assembly. This means we can react quickly to changed circumstances, and customers have the advantage of dealing with one contact person. In a global context, DAM also sets the pace for automotive assembly via unique efficiency and technical perfection. Be it electro, hybrid, or conventional drives, our plant melds the highest process stability with operator convenience. Our plant also demonstrates the flexibility actual operation demands. Simple adaptation is all that is needed to react to such factors as output variation. We can also rely on our own skilled personnel when it comes to building and assembling the plant. This guarantees faultless implementation and commissioning. We want to be a strong partner for our customers, to convince them with our technological edge, with our personal contact and support, with our flexibility and our precise adherence to deadlines. We want to keep setting the pace, keep growing, and we are always ready to take on any challenge. DAM. Never stand still.